Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to request a refund on Talabat. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Talabat app, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the Talabat app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Now launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar type Talabat. Now follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. And after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Talabat. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to request a refund on Talabat. Now, I'd like you to know that for you to request a refund on Talabat, you have to contact the customer support. Talabat has made it a little bit difficult to get in touch with the customer support directly, but there's a way they can help you request a refund because you're entitled to it. From this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen. You're going to find a couple of icons representing diverse features. You have home, you have search, you have orders, and you have account. Click on account. Here you have rewards, your orders, Talabat Pay, vouchers, Talabat Pro, Get Help, and About app. Click on Get Help, and that's going to take you into the help desk. Over here you have my orders, I can't place my order, payment, my support request, T-Pro subscription, rewards, cancellation policy, and of course the COVID-19 precautions. Now go ahead and click on my orders. Then head over to past orders. Select the order that you want to request a refund on, and once you do that, go ahead and cancel the order and click on the request a refund option. Now once you click on request a refund option, follow through with the step-by-step processes and you'll be able to get a refund. Now go back and click on cancellation policy for you to know what it costs or what it will cost you to cancel. What are the steps that I can take to show if your order is eligible for cancellation or refund? This is where you can get a cancellation policy from. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.